guys. Just wanted to tell you that I'm so happy for all of the messages that I've got talking about my family, my kids. Just wanted to tell you that my kids are safe and they're in Italy right now. They arrived this morning running away from a very bad situation, and I really appreciate all of your messages. Thank you so much, because that way I can really feel all of your love for me. Thank you very much. I love you. Take it, Brando. Take it, Brando. Marcus. Gara da qua fino a là, ok?
Fino al lampadario?
Sì. Allora, pronti, partenza, via! Vai! Dai! One. Qua, Brando.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said.